Hello, good day everyone. Hello guys. For today's laboratory class, you're going to do basic backup. So, you're going to use the backup utility of Windows. At the same time, also, I'll be teaching you, or I'll be going to do demonstration of the open source application Cobian. That is an application which is free to download and to install, and this is the that can be used as a backup utility for your files and your system. So basically, anything that you wanted to back up, you can use both the Windows utility and also the open source application Cobian. Okay, so these are I'll be doing demonstration of both of those applications, and afterwards you're going to are going to upload some of the screenshots of your steps on in Canvas. Okay, so I'll be starting with Windows 10, the file history. So this is how you back up files using the backup utility in Windows 10. At the same time, also I'll be previewing also how to do that in Windows 7 application. Okay, so this is a demonstration of Cobian application. So once you installed the Cobian backup utility, so this is an open source application. So we're going to schedule a particular backup. So basically, this what's nice about this application, it is open source, so meaning to say it is free to use. At the same time, also you can schedule your backup. So basically, what you're going to do first is you're going to add a task. So kindly create a new task. Okay. So let's say, for example, I wanted to back up a folder on my desktop, which I named folder to backup. So just let's try to name the backup as my files backup. Okay, so this is my files backup. So this is the name of my backup in Cobian. So what we're going to do is we're going to select if this is full, differential, incremental, or dummy. So I'll be discussing that on the lecture part. So we have the full. So let's start with the full, meaning to say we're going to back up the entire folder or the entire files, which I am going to select. Okay, just we have the my files backup as my backup name. So let's go to files. So let's going to click just click add. Okay, we can add a directory if you want. For example, in this case, I'm going to look for my desktop, and I have here the folder to back up. So this will be the folder that I wanted to back up. So just click folder to backup, click OK. Okay, so this is my source. So yung folder ko sa desktop, which I named folder to backup, then click add, just click add button. Then select the folder that you wanted to back up. Then click add again for the destination. So most probably you wanted to back up on an external storage. Kasi mahirap naman if you're going to back up the files on your local disk. Pag nasira din yung local disk mo or your hard drive, basically wala ka ng backup. So as much as possible, you add a directory or an FTP site or a network or a network location para pwede nyo ibato yung data doon. So this is your source, this will be your destination. So in this case, I'm going to use a flash drive as my external storage or external or my backup device. I'm going to click directory. Okay, so I'm going to click flash drive. Click OK. Okay, so I can choose to select a schedule. So I can make my backup schedule as daily. So let's say every 8 o'clock p.m. Okay, so I mean to say, I wanted to back up that folder every day with a schedule of 8 o'clock p.m. Okay? Okay, we can just click OK. So you now have your backup task on the list. So this is my files backup. So these are all the information. So basically, this is a scheduled backup. So it will run on an 8 o'clock p.m. So, but if you wanted to test the backup, you can just run task now or run the selected task now. I'm going to just click this one. Click OK. Okay, so if I'm going to look at my backup, on my flash drive, I already have my the folder here, the folders to backup together with the date. Okay, so that's the date today. Okay, I don't have folder here. I still don't have files on that folder. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add file here. Let's say for example, file 1. Folder 1. Folder 1. Folder 2, folder 3. Lagyan ko lang ng folder name. Okay, so I've added folder inside this one. So kasi wala siyang laman. So let's try another backup. Let's rerun it again. So always remember this is scheduled 8 o'clock p.m. So it will automatically run at 8 p.m. So what we're going to do is just rerun it again. Okay, so if I'm going to check this one again, refresh. Refresh this one. So I now have the second folder. Okay, so that is how we easily back up files using Cobian. So what's nice about Cobian is that you can schedule the backup. So always remember that, especially for servers, so you need to back up on a specific schedule, especially yung wala nang gumagamit. Always remember you can schedule those backup when when the server is not in use by its clients. Okay, so that's the best way to back up your files para at least all of your transactions are already done. For example, for a day, if you are doing a daily backup. Okay, so that would be for Cobian backup. So I just want you to screenshot your final output or final step, which is the if you already did created the task. So just click a final step on that one, final screenshot on your final step para when you already created the task. Okay, just screenshot and upload it in Canvas. Okay, for the Microsoft backup utility, I'll be posting also the step-by-step guide on Microsoft backup utility, and also the Cobian. I'll be inserting I'll be also including the step-by-step guide. Okay, I think, and that will be uploaded in PDF form, in PDF format. Okay, so that will be all for laboratory activity for today. So kindly work on your activity and upload all the screenshots and answer all the questions necessary in your quizzes under the laboratory class.